Hello everyone, this is Case, and today we're unboxing the NETGEAR Orbi whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. We're unboxing model number RBK53S. I got this off Costco for about $300. This is supposed to cover up to 7,500 square feet, and it has a Wi-Fi speed of up to 3 gigabits per second. This is containing, it's a 3-pack, so it contains the router itself, which supports AC 3000, as well as 2 other transmitters, or as they call them, satellites. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. Alright. I'm guessing the blue one is the router and the other 2 are the satellites or the transmitters. Let's take them off. And okay, so that's one of the satellites here. Let's put it aside. And this is the other one. They have a barcode. I'm guessing we will need that for setting them up. And this is the router itself with the SSID and the password. We can see here that it has 3 Ethernet ports and the internet port and a USB port. We'll take a look at it more in a second. The quick start guide or quick reference. See what else. Oh, we have the cables here. Just take them out. Here they are. Nothing else in the box. Okay, we can put that aside for now. And let's see what we have here. Actually, let me put those aside for a second. Here we go. So we have 3 power adapters and an Ethernet cable over there. Alright. I'll save that for later when I set it up. But let's see, how do they look and feel? So this is the router itself. So you will be hooking this up to your existing router. It feels very slick and smooth. So 3 Ethernet ports, sync button, and the yellow ones for hooking up the internet cable from your router or modem. This is one of the satellites or transmitters. It has 4 Ethernet ports, 1 USB 2.0, the power button, and the power. And this is the last satellite. Again, the same thing, 4 Ethernet ports, USB, power button, the power, reset button. Alright. Unfortunately, you can't lay them flat. They're wobbly. But let's see the router and the satellite side by side. So from the top, you have the blue and the white difference. From the back, the only difference is the number of Ethernet ports and the internet port. That was about it. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Till next time.